Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on PC controls. First, you will need an Android emulator, like Game Loop, to run the game on your computer. Download the emulator from its official website, ensuring you get the correct version for your system. After a straightforward installation, this software creates a virtual environment, allowing your personal computer to mimic a mobile device and launch the game seamlessly. It is the essential first step to getting started. Once your emulator is installed, optimizing its settings is crucial for smooth gameplay. Navigate to the settings menu to adjust the display resolution, perhaps to 1920 by 1080 pixels, and set the frame rate to 60 frames per second. Configure graphics quality to Smart or Balanced for a good mix of visuals and performance. Remember to save your changes to ensure these settings are applied during your gaming sessions. Default keyboard mappings provide a basic setup, but customizing your keybinds offers a significant advantage. Within the emulator's key mapping tool, you can assign actions like firing, aiming, and movement to keys that feel most natural to you. Experiment with different layouts. For instance, assigning your inventory to I or Tab can improve quick access. Always save your custom profile, allowing you to easily switch back if needed, and practice these new controls for better performance. For the best experience, ensure your computer has a dedicated graphics card and sufficient random access memory, perhaps 8 GB or more. Regularly check for updates for your chosen emulator, as these often bring performance enhancements and bug fixes. Consider using a high dots per inch gaming mouse for precision aiming, which can significantly improve your accuracy in intense firefights. These small adjustments cumulatively create a much more enjoyable and competitive gaming environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.